So pretty much we're all back in. Everything's tightened up. All I have left to do, I just have those sitting in there to make it look pretty for a picture. But run my brake lines, do my brakes. Dirt dauber has plugged my holes. Forgot to clean them out. So what we're gonna try to do now is tap them in the most convenient place, which is under the car. So look at all that crud. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gonna take a minute. It is caked. Don't know if it's in focus. You can see daylight through this hole. Can't see daylight through this hole. It's cool when you slowly built up enough tools. It's like, you know what? I don't have to take 7 trips to O'Reilly's and I was about to say Sears, but we don't have a Sears no more. Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever your choice of tools. This thing got cleaned off in the inside, didn't it? Yep, it did. Oh, some blowback got on my face and it burns. My face is drying out. Oh, yes. Yeah.
I fixed the car.
You gonna fix the car?
Yeah.
Okay. What's wrong with the car?
And then I did ooh, what?
Well, the ooh was bad.
Well, because it's red and then it doesn't.
Yeah, we painted a floorboard. And guess what? We're only going to paint that area because I don't feel like doing the rest of it. Because who's going to look at our floorboards, all right?
Yes. And the painting?
Yeah, we painted that. Me and you.
Me and you?
Yeah, me and you.
Oh.
Yeah, we painted this, remember?
Yes.
Getting it all knocked out. See? Got me a little helper.
Otto!
Huh?
Little boys.
Oh, boys yelling?
Yeah.
Want to yell back at them? Yell out.
And they're talking and then I'm choosing it to right to do, but then I right to the dog.
The duck?
No, it's the dog, and then about my dad. And the bush went up and the puppy and the no bar. The puppy and the whole bar. I choosing the puppy and the puppy.
I'm going to be honest with you, Zia.
Yeah.
I'm not following.
And then,
Are we going to do burnouts in this car?
yes.
Yeah, we are. And donuts?
Yes.
Yeah.
And look at the big red dog.
A big race car?
Yes.
Okay, you like big race car. Yeah, it is a wagon. It'll go fast, maybe.
And I'm buzzing, yes. And a blue.
And it's blue. It's fast and it's blue. Should we paint it red?
Yes.
No, you're just saying yes to everything. Why would we paint it red?
Then the red is no.
Yeah, we won't paint it red.
I didn't paint it.
What
Yes.
color?
No. And Mommy, I have big red dog.
I meant the drive shaft, Zia. That's why you were hesitant.
Oh, give me.
Excuse you, yes. What car should we work on next? First, we got this. We're gonna start the threads, right? Now, hold on. Cool. So look at this. Which one's dirty, which one's clean?
Yes.
That one's clean, right? Alright, now I gotta do this one. One in. Okay, don't start tickling me, dude. Okay. Okay, fine. Zia, hold this camera. Not with where your hands are. Move your hand. Hold it like that, right? All right, now you need to record. I'm gonna crawl up under here. I'm not ready for that. So all I'm doing here is just trying to clean up this snout on the trans because I didn't cap it up very good whenever I parked it. I also didn't plan on having the rear end out of it for years. So, I don't know if that's good. Cool. So, I'm gonna try to clean this bullshit up. And just like that, we're back on the ground. Look at that dusty beast. Disregard the mess, but we're gonna try to get this thing running here shortly. Go.